Good evening, viewers. In this tutorial, I will show you how to move a row within a table in a Word file. So here you can see a table that I have created. So in that table, in the headline, you can see I have right name, ID, and designation. And under these headlines, I have three data. So the first data is Polish, second data is of Piyush, and third one is Alice data. So beside that, they have ID and their designation. Suppose I like to keep Alice in the top and Polish under Piyush. So what I have to do? I have to select Alice, then I have to press Alt or Shift together. Then I will just press simply the up arrow, upper arrow. So now you can see Alice, Polish, Piyush. But I said Polish will come under Piyush. So what I will do, I will select Polish again, Alt Shift and down arrow. That is so simple. You must try.